Resolving request header is too large error in Java HTTP with GlassFish. In web applications, you may encounter an error that reads, "Request header is too large." This problem can be particularly frustrating as it can block requests from clients, effectively disrupting communication and functionality. Fortunately, if you're using Java HTTP along with GlassFish, there are configuration tweaks to address and resolve this issue. Understanding the error. The request header is too large error typically occurs when the size of the request header surpasses the default limit set by the application server. Headers include critical metadata and data such as cookies, user agent strings, and other HTTP headers required for processing requests. An oversized header can lead to this frequent error, especially when handling requests in applications with extensive data exchanges. Configuring GlassFish to handle larger headers. To mitigate this issue in a GlassFish environment, it's crucial to adjust specific configurations to expand the limit for request headers. Here's how to do it. Access GlassFish Admin Console. Begin by logging into your GlassFish server admin console. This is usually accessible through a URL of the form http://hostname 4848 where you will need administration credentials. Navigate to HTTP service in the console, locate the Configurations tab. Under Network Config, find the HTTP service option. Adjust request header size. Within HTTP service, look for the Request Processing attribute. Here, you can find the setting related to request header size. This parameter determines the maximum size allowed for incoming request headers. By default, it may be set to a lower value like 8,192 bytes. Increase limit. Modify the request header size to a larger value. For example, setting it to 16,384 bytes can often alleviate the "request header is too large" error. Consider your application's specific needs when configuring this size. Apply changes and restart. After making changes, ensure you save and apply them within the console. Restart the GlassFish server for the adjustments to take effect. Additional considerations. Monitor header size. It's a good practice to track the actual sizes of headers being used in your application regularly. Tools and logging enhancements can help in monitoring. Review application logic. Examine whether excessive data is unnecessarily stored in cookies or headers and optimize as needed. Security implications. While increasing header limits can resolve issues, it may expose your application to other risks like buffer overflow attacks. Consider evaluating security measures concurrently. By properly configuring the GlassFish server's HTTP settings, specifically the request header size, you can often fix the "request header is too large" error efficiently. This adjustment ensures that your Java web applications can handle large headers without disruption.